What is a function? A function is a machine which gives an output value for each input value. Consider we have a function x square minus 3. Let we put some value in x square minus 3. Suppose we put the first value, which is minus 3. After putting minus 3 in the function x square minus 3, we get 1. And if we put x is equal to minus 1, then we will get minus 2. After putting x is equal to 0 in this function x square minus 3, we will get minus 3. Suppose we put x is equal to 1, then we get minus 2. After putting x is equal to 2 in this function, we will get 1. For each input value, we have an output value. Our input values are the domain of the function and the output values are the range of the function. Consider we have two sets, the set A which contains elements 1, 2 and 3 and the set B which contains elements A, B and C. F is the machine from set A to set B which assigns the element of set A with the set B just like S. 1 is attached with A, 2 is attached with B, 3 is attached with C. For each input value, you have an output value. Therefore, F, which is a machine from set A to B, is a function. Now check that 3 is also attached with B. So this means that for each input value, there is not an output value. There are two output values of 3. So this means that in this case, this is not a function. Now check that 3 is not attached with any other elements of B. For each input, there is not an output, which means that this is not a function. If distinct elements have distinct images, then it is called one function. Check on the screen that every element of set A have distinct image in the set B. This is one function. Now the set A contain element 1, 2, 3 and the set B contain only two elements A and B. 1 is attached with A, 2 is attached with B and 3 is also attached with B. Here you will see that all the element of set B has attached. If all the element of set B has attached with the element of set A, then this is an onto function. If at least one element of set B is not attached with the element of set A, this is an into function. So there are two conditions on A. The first is every element of set A must be attached. And the second condition is every element of set A must be attached uniquely. A function which is 1 and onto function, that function is called bijector function. Here you will check that every element of set B has attached, and also you can see that distinct element of set A have distinct image in B. This is an example of 1 and onto function.